Haha. Hello, my friends. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. I just was on Instagram and I want to show to you what I'm doing now. I'm decorating this beautiful mirror because I want to take picture of my nails. And I have two birdies and they have like a seat place that was broken, so, and two mirrors left, and I decided to decorate it. So then I will use it for my picturing, like ta-da, and it's done. Okay, what I'm doing. On this mirror, I used a file. Just to scratch it. You see, I scratched it. Yeah, just I want to make, yeah, beautiful. So I scratched it. So then I have good adhesion. And I'm using gemstone gel. You see how thick it is? And I'm using these crazy, amazing rhinestones. So you see that I already touched my mirror, so that's why I have to clean it with alcohol. So two parts are already done. I did it, so, and I did it on live on Instagram. And Ina was there and she said to me that I have to use this tool as well because it's much easier. So then I'm using Jessica Choice brush, yeah, Jessica Choice, and gemstone gel. It's very thick gel. It's not like modeling gel or sculpting gel, and it's not a top gel, so this gel is much thicker and it's not moving. So I mean that when I'm working with this gel, I know for sure that my rhinestone will stay on the place where they are and they will not move anywhere. That actually can happen if we are working with thick sculpting gel, because we know that thick sculpting gel still is for sculpting, so that's why it can move, because any sculpting gel, it's self-leveling gel. Thick top gel also self-leveling, so you know, like normal gels, like for this job, better not to use. And I was thinking to use a glue, but after 1 second I realized that for this job gemstone gel is the best one, definitely the best one. And I'm curing this, just like pre-curing, like fixing for 10 seconds, and you see that everything is staying perfectly, everything is staying okay. So now we have our beautiful rhinestones, and these rhinestones, you see that they don't have any color at bottom, so means that I will have really nice, oops, and just place them. So you see that we can use nail products not only for nails but also to decorate many things that you still can use for nails, because I'm going to use this mirror to take picture of my own nails, like this. So then it will look really very cool. So that's why I decided just like to spend this time and decorate this mirror. Yeah, this job looks a bit like Cinderella job, but I'm sure that it will not take long actually for me to finish it, because I like to work on the evening. Then actually I can do what I want and nobody is bothering me. You see. So, and don't worry, after I'm going to make these rhinestones being completely straight and being in line So I just don't want to pay attention on this right now. I just want to decorate them, and then I will make them straight, and I will cure it for 10 seconds in UV light. I did a stream now on Instagram. It was so funny because I have been using 3 languages. I have been using Ukrainian language, then I have been using English language, and I finished with Russian language. It's really very funny because many people came there, and I just wanted to explain to everybody what I'm doing. But I see now that all of you can understand English, so that's why I'm using English now. So you see that this gel, it's not moving at all. Where I put it, it's still staying there. So just, oh. I would say that this job really like calming me down, you know. Yeah, it's a bit like Cinderella job, but still, it looks nice. And nice rhinestones. And I have chosen, you know, this the biggest one. So what I will do now, I just want to move them a bit this way, just to be sure that they're in line. And then, yeah, I see that this one moved a bit, or I did not put it properly. And now I will do, remember this tip? I posted it yesterday. And now what I will do, I just will put it straight, just with 90 degrees. And then everything is going in the same line. You see how easy it is? Try it. Oops. And it's done. So this is like, I'm just like leveling. And you see that now I have very nice edge. Look. Looks like I bought it, but I made it. Nice. Really? Okay, so now I'm going to cure it for 10 seconds, because it's not like a curing, it's like fixing mainly. And just will finish the last. So you see that even with 10 seconds, it's already good. It's not moving anywhere. And look, just a bit left, just one side, and it's done. And I will have beautiful mirror. And I used my product that actually I have already on my table, and you can do the same. So you see that you can use it, as I said, not only to make nails, but to do some decoration thing. So what I did, as I said, that I already like scratched side, just to be, and I did it with 150 file, just with little edge. Then I will be sure that I will have good adhesion. And with gemstone gel, I just will go to finish this beautiful job. So just thin brush, move it. So, and gemstone gel is the best for that. Yeah, more in focus. Yeah, Nadia, it looks really very nice. So as I said, that I'm going to use this mirror to take picture of my own nails, because yeah, sometimes you know that it's very hard to do your own nails, to do a picture of your own nails. So that's why I wanted something, and I took this mirror from my parrots who broken their bed, or their seat, should I say. And I was thinking, yeah, that's it, I'm going to have it. I'm going to make it finally. And again, with your waxing thing. And then thing. And then thing. So ladies, if you need this mirror or such mirror, just let me know. And I will make it for you. I'm joking. Of course you can make it yourself because you have everything for that. So, and this is gemstone gel. You see how thick it is. So, and then, as I said that these previous lines I already like pre-cured for 10 seconds. So it's not moving anywhere. And then I just want to cure it for like, I don't know, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, just to be sure that nothing will move anywhere. So what I just want to check that every rhinestone is touching each other. I don't pay attention on this side because I'm going just to correct it when I will go to UV light. Yeah, thank you, Nadia. It looks really like this is what I wanted, but I didn't have this mirror. And now I have it. And I made it with magnetic. So just, you know, just will place them how they are, and then I just will correct them on this side, and that's it. So ladies, how are you celebrating your Easter? I'm celebrating making a mirror. So and I have another one, so I will make another, and I will have two. So if you want, I can send one to you. But I think that you can do it just yourself. La. Yeah, I know that it's not completely in line, but I don't care right now. If you already was watching from the beginning, you know what I will do. But if you did not watch and you started just recently, don't worry. I'm going to make it straight really very quickly. So that's why I'm not just paying my attention on this right now. Yeah, cool. And last one. Yoo-hoo. Ta-da! So everything is there, and now remember beautiful design that I already made. This is I was practicing. Thank you, Melinda. Yes, and now just, you know, just to make it straight, whip, and everything is straight. You see? What I just don't like, because I see here like little gap and I don't like it. So that's why maybe I just will move it a bit further. Yeah. And make it straight. So you need just something, you know, just that will follow the edge and will make it straight. Yeah, and it's done. So now I'm going to cure it for 10 seconds. Hello, Noemi. So I have been using gemstone. You see how thick it is? It's better to use gemstone gel, not sculpting gel, not ultra top gel. Gemstone is the best one because it's not moving, and then your rhinestones, they will not slide, they will stay where they are, which is very important for us. And I have been using that beautiful rhinestones that already actually I used. I can put them back, and you see that they have clear base, so they don't have any silver base, so that's why they look like crystals, completely like crystals. And I will show to you actually the final result. So when it's done, and I just will go a bit with look how it is. And then when I will do my picturing, I just did it in, just will take picture from the side, and it's done. You see, oh, like even like this. So it's already decorated and it looks really cool. So then look, it's already picture. So it's, as I said, that I have a seed from parrots. They have broken it, and just 2 mirror left, and I decided to decorate them. One it's already done, and this one I'm going to decorate. Maybe I will use different rhinestones, I don't know, it depends on my mood, but it's definitely nice, especially for us, for nail tags, you see. And then take a picture of the appearance in the mirror, and it's done. Then you have beautiful picture of your own hands. Okay, ladies, thank you for watching. I'm going to cure it, but even after 10 seconds, you see that everything is staying, it's not moving anywhere. Now I'm just going to cure it for final, okay, I would say 1.5 minutes. Better to be safe than sorry. And also because I made it straight using, then it's not sharp completely, it's nice, it's safe. So it's cool stuff. Yay, yoo-hoo! Okay, ladies, thank you for watching, and happy Easter. Have a very nice evening, or have a very nice night. Good night, and see you. Thank you, girls. Bye.